Welcome to Charts Today. My name's David Linton, and today's edition for Wednesday, the 18th of November, comes to you from the Canary Islands, where I've escaped for some sun. And we start by looking at currencies. We're seeing the dollar sinking lower here, so that's quite key that we are seeing this dollar coming under pressure, and it's in a short-term downtrend. So dollar weakness is a theme at the moment, which means that we're seeing euro strength. And that gradual trend up on the euro. 123 is the short-term target there for the euro, so that's quite key. Looking at the yen, we've fallen below the 104 level with that weaker dollar, so that also looking downside weakness, and so we are just seeing weaker dollar having an impact. Sterling sitting at 132.84. It's looking stronger against that weaker dollar, and against the euro, sitting at 111, fairly flat there. On the short-term chart, we are just trending up, still awaiting a Brexit deal, of course. Looking at Bitcoin, we really are motoring now, and we're getting closer and closer to that target, 19,700. So Bitcoin now getting back near that $20,000 mark. So it's really quite incredible that we've gone from 5,000 to 18,000 this year. So looking very strong indeed. The S&P 500 index was down about 0.5% yesterday, so just struggling to hold on to the gains. The Nasdaq also just struggling. And the Dow was down 0.5%. So for the moment, markets are really a bit listless. We're seeing the S&P future up 1/3%, the Nasdaq E-mini up 1/3% as well. So it does suggest the US will open slightly higher today. The VIX volatility, the fear index, down nearly 2%. So we are just seeing fall back to the low 20s. Key thing is the DAX we're seeing here lower, and also if we look at the CAC 40, it's up 0.25% as well. Asian markets mostly up overnight. If we look at gold, we're sitting at 1875. So again, that weaker dollar not really helping gold at the moment, just falling back into slightly negative territory. A new low would be bad, but for the moment, the long-term chart's still looking pretty bullish. US 10-year yield sitting at 0.86%, so they're just weakening a little bit. The energy mix, we're seeing Brent crude is up 1.4% today, so it's starting to break higher, not hitting last week's high. We are still sort of stuck in a range there a bit. And if we look at some of the other instruments in the mix, we've been bullish on emissions this week, and they're looking stronger. We're starting to get back to going above the clouds, so looking pretty strong there. Gas also looking strong, seeing TTF front month. And then if we look at German power, just nudging to get back above that €40 mark. That's it for today. Until tomorrow, happy charting. See you there.